Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot or how to charge a dead golf cart battery. I left the keys in the golf cart and I left it on, and of course the battery's dead. And what happens is when the battery's dead, the charger not going to recognize your battery when you plug it in. So I plugged it in and it did not recognize it because all 6 batteries is dead, totally dead. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to charge each set of batteries. So there's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got to charge 2 battery each. If you don't have one charger, you plug, as you can see in this one, a positive and negative to this set. This is a starter battery. So you have to charge it for about an hour. Then you take those positive and negative and move to the next set. But here you can see I got, since I have 3, 1, 2, 3 charger, I was able to hook up 1, 2, 3 set. So in about an hour, I'm hoping I'll be able to plug this into the wall and the charger into the battery, and the charger will recognize the battery and start charging it. Okay. Couple things, guys. Make sure the water level is good in each battery. Like for example, you want to make sure you can't see the metal. The wire's over on top, which I already checked on all these. In the fall, I filled them up, so they're good. And another thing you can double check, guys, you can do is make sure it's charging. Take the positive, negative, and you can see as right now it's 42.1. When I first started, it was actually 37. You see how it's jumping up? That's what you want. You can put in there, and that means your battery is charging 42.2. And you want to go up, of course, to 40, 46, good, but in an hour, it should be able to recognize, okay? In about an hour, you can start. And you also want to check your fuse. Make sure your fuse good, which I did here, guys. I checked the fuse. Here's the fuse box. And what you do is, of course, open and double check it. And I did double check both fuse, and it's good. Okay, guys. But yeah, that's how you jump start or charge a golf cart battery, because you're not going to be able to do in 2, because it's, you know how it's all linked. You can see it set by set. Your stars are right here, and you got your my multimeter battery readout here. So it's totally dead, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wait about an hour, and then I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna give it a try here with this Yamaha 48-volt charger. Okay, you can see I got my 3 chargers. Okay, so that's how you do that, guys. And if you try this and it still doesn't work, that means either your charger's not working or your battery is totally dead. But hopefully that helps you guys troubleshoot your battery. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye now.